Hey guys, Noah here with Green Cover Seed. Like most of you across the country, it's harvest time. For us, that means harvesting buckwheat. Buckwheat is a fast-growing, warm-season annual broadleaf. Within a week of planting, it will emerge and begin flowering after 30 days. In 70 to 90 days, this plant will reach maturity and is ready for harvest. This buckwheat was planted directly into triticale residue after we harvested the triticale the first week in July. Buckwheat is fast-growing but does not produce a lot of biomass, so the triticale residue is helpful in keeping the soil cool during the hot summer months. In addition, it is great for preventing erosion and increases water infiltration. Buckwheat's quick flowering makes it an excellent attractor of beneficial insects. It is also one of the best plants at scavenging phosphorus, as its fibrous roots dig 10 inches into the soil, bringing up minerals for the next cash crop. In the end, we were able to harvest 2 crops from this field, and the buckwheat seed will go into our mixes for customers all across the country. So whether you're harvesting buckwheat, corn, soybeans, or any of the other products that make agriculture so diverse, from all of us at Green Cover Seed, we hope you have a great harvest.